This is how you fix Do Not Disturb if it's not working. So we're gonna go open up the control center right here. You see where it says focus? We're gonna press on the word focus, not the icon itself, but the word focus. I'm gonna press Do Not Disturb. How we can check to see if it's really on, we can head out of this. And if that icon is lit up like the way it is, then Do Not Disturb is currently on. And if I want to turn it off quickly, I can press on the icon, that moon icon, to turn it off. So on, off, really quick. Something I suggest doing though is opening this up again. Click on the three dots to go open up the settings. And then here are the bunch of options that you have for Do Not Disturb. So the allow notifications, you can add people, you can add notifications from apps, you can customize the lock screens, add a schedule. There's a bunch of things here that are suggested that you use. So let's say, for example, I want to have YouTube notifications on. So I'm gonna go to apps. I'm going to hit add apps from. I'm gonna search YouTube, done. And now YouTube, I will get notifications from YouTube, but no other apps. If you have a lot of notifications coming through from a lot of apps, this is a perfect way to only focus on what you really care about. Now, if that doesn't work for you, I suggest going over and opening up settings, scrolling down to general, go to software update, and see if there are any updates for your phone. So you can download and install any updates that you might need in order for Do Not Disturb to work. Those are 2 ways on how you fix Do Not Disturb not working for iOS.